Good day, everyone. Welcome back to another session of Little of Everything. Today is a special session for Jackson. So he sent me an email and asked if I can play for him. He wanted to send me a 100 rand voucher to play for him, but I told him no. Just send me a 50 rand voucher. If I lose the 50 rand, I will put another 50, and if I lose that 50, I will send him a 100 rand voucher to try on his own. So we had like 50 rand in a balance, 210 a spin. That is not enough for 50 spins, but we're gonna see what can happen and what Hot Food or Hot Hollywood has in store for us, for Jackson. So down to 20 rand left in the balance, 20 spins gone. Let's see what Hot has in store for us. Let's just hope for the best. Can we get a future before our balance runs out? So far, nothing. Yeah. Okay, let's do 180. Then I will put another 50. Wow. We got a future. Nice. Can they be split? Nice. Jackson, that is something for you. That must be over 200. Because that is the first spin. Let me see. Yeah, no, that is over 300. This is going to be over 300. Put another plum. Can we get more heat and split all the plums in the wild? Nice. Wow. That was a save. We had like, how much was that? 14 cents left in the balance. Wow. Guys, 3 spins. We got another plum. Can we get more heat? Come on, Hottie, give us more heat. Give Jackson more heat. So he's going to walk away with like 300. We're gonna do a few more spins. I think I will try 210 again. And yeah, we will see. Maybe I will change to 225 or something like that. So these guys got like 363 rand. So let's just play that 63 rand and see what else we can get in the session. 210. Okay. So guys, I don't usually do this. I don't usually play for subscribers. They send money and then I play for them. I just think, okay, let me do it for him. So yeah, I only do the subscriber giveaways and for my site. So yeah, let's see. We must a future. We will play down to 300 and then I will stop. And Jackson, I will send your 300. We hope to get more in this last 40 rand. Come on, Oti. Show us the power of your sevens. Give us that 15 sevens. Wow, that would be amazing. On 225, I think. Come on. Nice. We got it, guys. How much is that? 124. So now he's walking away with 400 rand. Wow, Jackson, you are lucky. This was a lucky session. Only we could have get heat on that sevens as well. So we got 25 spins left. No future as yet. Come on, Hottie. Do the business. 20 spins left. No heat on that sevens. Wow. With the wild, there is a line of sevens. 17 spins left. Nothing happening as yet, but that will be enough for that 14 spins. Come on, is there anything else? Come on, Hottie. Last 10 spins. Can we get a future in the last 10 spins? Come on. Come on, Hottie. Do the business. Do the business for us. Last 4 spins. We got Yes, we got a future, guys, with a little bit. How much? 139, 37 rand. Wow, 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 wow. Come on. Heat, give us heat. We got a lot of plums. Can we get heat? Can we get heat? Come on, where's the heat? There's another, the last one. Wow, guys, no heat. No heat. Wow, wow, but we will hunt the 3 spins. So, Jackson, I will send you money. I got your details. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.